Segmentation makes outreach more relevant and keeps your contact list well organized. In OnePageCRM, the left-hand menu lets you slice and dice your database. All of these tabs are filters. The action stream automatically sorts your contacts and prioritizes workload. If you're a manager, have a look at the team stream to see what your team is working on. Use the waiting tab for when the ball is in the client's court. The flag indicates how much time has passed in the waiting mode. But you can also build custom filters by clicking on the filter icon. For example, let's find contacts with actions containing a specific keyword. You can see how many contacts meet this criteria. If you search for these contacts often, save this segment to the filters menu. Contacts have lots of data, so you can segment them based on call results, job titles, amongst other criteria. The same is true for organizations. You can build segments based on different fields or their combination. Let's say you have a trade show coming up in New York. Find all prospects based in New York and exclude those with lost deals. Run the filter, bulk select the prospects and invite them to the trade show. If you need a quicker segmentation, use tags. They're fast to create and easy to adjust. You can even group them together. If you integrate with MailChimp, you could use OnePageCRM's tags to create targeted email campaigns on MailChimp. When it comes to pipeline-related filters, you have status labels and lead sources. But you can build custom segments too, based on deal values, expected close dates, or anything else. So as you can see, there are multiple ways in which you can segment contacts in OnePageCRM. Head over to your account and try them for yourself.